Guten Morgen, hier ist die Frau Walker, and I just wanted to tell you how to do your mastery check for Unit 2, Lesson 1. And it says here in your mastery check, open the Festa German 2 Unit 2 vocabulary list on Quizlet and click the test button. So we're going to find the Festa. Let's see, I guess I'm going to go to recent, or maybe I'll just make it bigger. There we go, make it bigger. There it is. There's Festa. All right. So now that I'm on the right one, it says under options, choose the following criteria. So I got to find the options button. Oh, first I have to click test. That's right. I had to click test. See, if I don't follow instructions, I won't know what to do. There's options. So I'm going to click options. And then what would it like me to do? It says first, make the test only 10 questions. So we're going to change it from 20 to 10. We don't want to have to do all 30. That's a lot. And then it says question types need to be matching, multiple choice, and true false. So matching, multiple choice, true false. So we don't need written, so we're going to get rid of written. That way we're not really focusing on spelling. We're focusing more on recognition and making sure you know the words, right? Spelling comes with time. Next one says choose the standard grading. Yep, that's definitely highlighted. And then it says choose answer with German. So we'll scroll down. There it is, answer with German. And then underneath it says for advanced options, choose German and English. So we're going to show the advanced options and make sure it says German and English. Good. Awesome. And then when we're done with that, we're going to go up here and we're going to press create new test. And now we're taking our test. See, it's only got 10 questions. All right. So what it wants to know is to invite einladen. True. Yep, that is. Is luck and happiness das Gebäck? Oh man, I can't remember that one. How about I just say true? Who knows? To celebrate is to celebrate Schenken. Nope, I know that one's wrong. How about to have fun? Maybe some of you already know this one and already recognize the Spaß haben, right? To surprise. Like the egg, Überraschung Ei? Yeah, to receive. Maybe that's einladen. I don't know, we'll check. This one wants to match, so we've got kiss. Which one is kiss here? Oh, that looks like kiss right there. Next one says guest. I'm guessing that might be Gast. A sweet biscuit. Is that Zecht or Kekse? I'm going to guess Zecht. Let's say I forgot. And then champagne. Well, that must be Kekse. And all I have to do now is press the button that says submit test. And let's see how well Frau Walker did on the first time. Ooh, shoot. So I need at least 9 or 10 correct. So since I didn't get it, I'm not going to take a screenshot of this one. But let's say I did it again and I got at least 9. Perfect. That's what you need. That's why it says 90% accuracy. And 90% of 10 is 9. So you are going to do this as many times as you need to get it right. Obviously, you ask for permission first about taking a mastery check. And then when you get the score that you need, then you take a screenshot of your Quizlet here. So you just take a screenshot of what you have right here and upload it to your assignment for mastery check on lesson 1. Okay, then you can go do your self-assessment. Alrighty, so that's how you complete the mastery check for lesson 1. Don't forget that there's not only Festa, but there's also the Besondere Anlässe. Okie dokie? All right, so make sure you study Quizlet before you start your mastery check. I'll see you soon. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.